I don't the record now. I don't delete that one.
Okay, no, I need to put that one. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Josh DHD. Yeah, so we got a very exciting video that I'm going to show you guys. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and most importantly, subscribe. And I got my friend here.
YoungDave is the name. Subscribe to my
Yes.
YouTube channel.
Yeah, subscribe to his channel. Link will be on my description. So now this video is very simple, to very educative, interactive, fun, and whatever you think about it, just make sure you watch to the end.
So what am I doing?
Yeah, so we have some written text inside this cup. So each among both of us are going to be picking something out of this, and whenever you pick, you're going to do that. So
is it like a deer?
it's not like a deal, just like a fun game. Yeah, question.
Yeah, let's go.
You answer.
Who is going first?
So you should be the one. Open. Take one.
Oh, this big paper.
So.
Whoa. This is long. If you were to get very drunk, which celebrity would you slap? Woo!
Yes. Let us know.
Sure, pause. Come.
Let us know.
Woo! Don't understand that. You go cut them from when I have control. Woo! Which celebrity I would like slap if I don't shy you? By the way, I won't slap any celebrity, please, but just for content. But let me see. I love audio top artists first of all.
Now that one way like to go slap.
No, now I will slap artists who I like. No, which artist? I like all artists, but I swear I don't know.
Just give us one. Okay, for just the content.
Burna Boy. I like Burna Boy.
Okay.
I just like for content.
Okay. Now why you know if you call her since you want to slap Burna Boy? Okay, my own. So let me see what I pick here. You say, have you ever peed on the toilet in a public bathroom?
Everybody has.
Yes, now it's normal. Many times.
Everybody has.
Many times. Sometimes you go show the see where to piss. Any close by public toilet, just enter.
Piss for
Just pour and there.
So my question is, make I no go tear this paper.
Your own question will be simple.
Note again.
No, you go pick up.
What will you do?
Judge you.
What will you do if your what is this?
But.
What's but?
Bum.
If your bum got stuck on a seat in public. Wait, if you got stuck in a seat in public, can I like stand up and the seat will
be who they fat? You understand the question?
No.
Read them again.
What will you do if your butt got stuck, on a seat in public? Like if my nyash now gone for this chair.
Yes, what you go
for
do?
Public.
Yeah, what you go do?
But I will stand up now, made this in the my nyash now, make sure. I will ask for help or I'll ask you. See, there's no shaming. Asking for help.
When you need favor, better go straight to the point.
So ask for help.
Let me pick my own and open it. So make sure you look at it. So, oh God. So my question is, which artist makes you feel moody? Oh God. Plenty artists.
Name?
Plenty artists.
Name 5.
Now
you
why?
Say plenty artists.
Hey, now I will just call one now. This guy, Khalid, American singer.
No, I'm Nigeria.
No Nigerian singer, they make me feel moody. I tell you, no Nigerian musician at all. They say Fireboy will sing one song. No, Fireboy sing one song where me feel moody.
My guy.
Yeah, but I don't really love that song.
Oh my God.
So, yeah. May God help you pick.
Why am I picking the long notes?
Oh, my mom help and judge you. Now you just pick. Nobody pick and give them. So
prank your favorite friend, telling the person I don't give another person belly pregnant. Why you go to say I don't give another person? I didn't give at the first place. I don't give anybody belly now.
The thing is, you go prank the person and say you don't give somebody belly. It might be a female person or not. So, well.
Sorry, hold on. I want to use my phone.
No, just lock them up.
Okay, let's continue from here.
Okay, can you do it if it's possible?
This one right now I cannot do it because my favorite friend, which you know, will not believe.
Okay.
So no.
So
I'll give that one to him. 1-0.
I wish I picked the right one. I wish. Hey.
Guy.
I wish. Okay.
And short stuff.
Can you say chicken dick without laughing? Chicken dick.
You say it 5 times.
Oh jeez, I don't really laugh already.
Oh sorry, 6. No, it's
chicken dick. I swear. I don't think.
Chicken get dick. I beg. So this is my last one. Then the remaining will be yours. So let me go. Okay,
I believe a short one go pick. Do you have 3 press up? Do you to do 3 press up or you drink a bottle of water? Either you do 3 press up or you drink a bottle of water.
Okay, I should do 3 press up or drink a bottle of water. 3 press up now easy. Even though I know if you do about 3.
So forget say they go gym.
You the last question.
I mean, I'll be gym instructor in case you want to sign up.
So this is the last question for the video.
So the last question, oh God help me. It says, how long have you been since? How long has it been since you farted? Anytime, any day.
When you fart, when you mess last.
This afternoon.
Jesus, I didn't say something they smell.
Now this afternoon, anytime.
I didn't say something they smell.
God give it to us, so let's fart it out.
Waiting they smell, I don't know.
Normal. If you cannot fart or if you don't fart, you are not a living thing. So what do you expect somebody like me?
But you know, go tell them go mess.
Okay, see, people are begging God. They are even praying to fart. So what are you telling me?
You know, go tell them go mess. Because they mess for parlor.
Public assurance.
Thank you for watching this video.
Alright, guys.
Your boy, YoungDave is the name.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Wait for the next video. So drop it soon. Thank you. I love you all. Peace. My man.